Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr. Holmes. What will you learn today? Let me tell you. It's Finding Factors, Part 5, Common Factors. So the question you'll be asking, what are common factors? Common factors are factors the same in two or more numbers. For example, the common factors of 4 and 6 are 1 and 2. As you can see here, 1 is a factor of both 4 and 6, and 2, a factor of 4 and 6. They do have other factors, but 4 has a factor of 4, but 6 doesn't. And likewise, 6 has a factor of 3 and 6, but 4 doesn't. We've got our steps of learning written up clearly, so you can follow along step by step as we go. Let's have a look at our question. We have two numbers, and we're going to use factor bugs to find our factor pairs. We have the number 8, and we have the number 12. We'll start with number 8. We'll look at the number and write it down, and find the factor pairs. So, like we've learned in the other videos, we start with 1 and itself. Work systematically by going up. So after 1 we try 2. We know it has a factor of 2 because it's even. 2 times 4. Not in the 3s, in the 4s, and then we stop. We're now going to repeat with the other number. So we know 1 and itself. We then go to 2. That's 2 times 6. In the 3s, yep, 3 times 4 is 12. And then 4s, but we've already done that, so we'll stop. And now we're going to circle the factors that appear in both lists. So 1 appeared in both lists. 2, yes, appeared in both lists. 4, yes, 4 appeared in both lists. And then 8 was the only other factor of 8, but not a factor of 12. So we have them. So the common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2, and also 4. So we've written the factors down, and obviously, like every good mathematician, we'll check our work carefully. So we'll try one more, and you can have a go as well. Select 2 numbers that you want to see if you can find the common factors. Previous question, we had 2 even numbers, so I think I'm going to try an odd number. So I'm going to try the number 9, and I'm going to try the number 15. So we'll look at the number and we'll find the factor pairs, starting with 1 and itself. Is it in the 2s? No, because it's odd. Is it in the 3s? Yep. Oh, it's a square number. 3 times itself. 3 times 3 is 9. Not in the 4s. Not in the 5s. And that's more than halfway, so I know I can stop. I'm going to repeat with the other number. I know 1 and itself. Good place to start. This is odd also, so not in the 2s. Is it in the 3s? Yes, I know it's 3 times by 5. Not in the 4s. doesn't have any even factors. It's in the 5s, but I've repeated, so I'm going to stop. And so now I'm going to circle the factors that appear in both lists. So that's 1 and 3. And that's it. So now I'm going to write the factors out. So the common factors of 9 and 15 are only 2. That's 1 and 3. And of course, we check carefully, which we have as we've gone, following our steps to learning. So now it's your turn. Choose 2 numbers, find the factors of both of them, and the common factors appear in both lists. It's as easy as that. And I'll see you again soon for some more maths fun.